Okay, let's take a first look at this workbook. It's designed to help you build better habits. So, you want to build better habits, right? But how do you actually make a plan that sticks? Well, this isn't just any book. It's a personalized tool based on a test about you. It's a guided journey with 3 stages. Let's dive into how it all unfolds. First up, you got to understand the science, how habits actually form in your brain. And the core idea is the habit loop. It's simple: a cue, a routine, then a reward. It also wraps up a bunch of other key ideas, kind of like a crash course in self-improvement. Okay, now we get to the really personal part, reflecting on your actual habits. It's a 4-step process to really get to know yourself before you try to change anything. Yeah, there are worksheets in here too, all about finding your why and your current patterns. And all that reflection, that's what builds your very own custom action plan. But here's the thing with personalization. Some topics might be super relevant, others not so much. And I mean, the range of topics is huge, from sleep to nutrition to even Stoicism. All right, so let's get to it. What are the first impressions? What's the verdict here? Well, the first thing you'll notice, it's not cheap. That price point is a big deal. So let's break it down. You've got some clear pros and cons to weigh here. The best advice seems to be take it slow. Just tackle one area of your life at a time. And here's why this matters. You can use these ideas without even buying the book. So, could a guided workbook be the key for you? That's really the big question, isn't it?